probably wondering why I'm outside. Because I have a special guest and we saved a bird. Her name's Elise. Elise, beep, 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 because we're not going to say her last name, but yeah. So we're going to put on glovesies. That's yours. Glovesies? It's fine. Glovesies. Bad boy, thank you guys so much for those subscribers. I love you guys.
And I do too.
Now so we have our gloves on. One glove, because we're just going to pick, I'm going to show you guys something later, and we're going to put on our mask. You never know what could happen. Guys, she's really that scared. Okay, you probably can't see him. Sorry, you probably can't see us either. I never do anything in my right hand. I gotta switch to the left. There we go. Floppy flop flop.
Look at him.
Guys, we like saving animals that have already died.
Yeah.
Oh, his eyeballs have popped out. It's not focusing. Mom, we're filming a YouTube video. Oh yeah, this is the birdie. So we're gonna wash him.
He's a pretty birdie.
I wanna fly like a bird one day. Oh,
And
he's connected.
and my 2 front teeth come out. And I have to go to Dr. Brown.
He's connected to me. Oh. So, you look at me in the eye, bro.
Ew, you can see in him.
No,
Under his beak.
see, look, his eyes gone.
No, under his beak.
I know. Well, that's how all birds are.
Oh, he's so cute.
So
So are we gonna wash him or what?
yeah, bro. Oh. Why'd you take him? We gotta be safe. We gotta be safe. We gotta be safe.
Oh my gosh, I'm so hot.
We're acting like doctors, okay? Oh, yeah. Hi. Hi.
I'm hungry.
Oh, yeah, because it's almost dinner time. Just woo. I'm very sad, but I don't care. Okay, we're gonna act like doctors. We're getting to work. First, we're gonna light him on fire on this rocket ship, and he's gonna go zoom across the room. Sorry, I promise you I did not pick my nose. I had a very bad itch.
Yeah, sometimes I have like a really scratchy nose, and it does not look good.
We need to write our signatures on him. Okay. No, well, we're gonna. Okay, we're gonna. Here, why don't you hold him?
And the maid of honor.
I'm gonna film you, okay? Okay, let's walk over to the hose. Look at that poor little thing. That poor little thing. Oh gosh, it's sunny. Poor little thing. Look at that poor little guy.
What if when we put the hose on him, he just goes, I'll turn on the hose. It already turned on.
Oh. Well, that's why we're gonna back.
Okay. He shall fly away.
I don't even know where he is.
You shall get a fresh cleanse. Oh no, no. You gotta come back here, buddy. Okay. Oh no.
Now we're gonna get some soap and scrub a dub him. Okay. I'm gonna go get the soap.
Something's happening.
I'm gonna get soap. Stay right there. I got soap.
What happened?
Why'd you put him on the ground?
I didn't. He slid off the tray.
Poor little baby boy.
Okay, now we're gonna put
Did
you
you
back.
turn it off?
on
No.
the tray.
Okay. We don't. Don't turn it on.
You see how I just went?
Yeah. Okay. That's put it down. I don't first do it. Oh, we're gonna get our lovies on.
Oh, the gloves again. Wait, I hate gloves.
I don't even know. We got the birdie on the wet soaking.
Ooh, there's fish food on this glove.
It's not fish food. Got the birdie on the plate. Grab.
Wow. Show the cam. Oh, it's not focusing.
Oh!
Oh no!
Let's open his mouth. Oh, he got a little baby head. Wait, if you hold him like this, it feels so sad. I had it like the same exact bird in my yard, and for a long time we thought it was a sock until we noticed it. Wow. Oh, is that his guts? No, it's not. It's a bone. Look at that precious little thing. Precious little thing. Dang, dang, dang. Scrub dub dub in a tub. Now, more soap and it's your turn. Don't make fun of him.
He's actually really nice. Oh, I see blood.
I like that. I know you see blood. I think it's his guts.
Ooh, ew, ew.
We're gonna just cover that back up.
Getting shot.
No, I think someone shot him, guys. After this, we're gonna bury his grave. Bum, bum, bum. Ba-da-da-da-da. Ailey, we're making a YouTube video. Put soap on his eyes. Stinks. Now it's time to rinse him over here.
Oh.
Flip over. Okay, we're good.
Oh.
Okay, maybe he has still have
Yeah, he's
Oh, boy, show them guts. Something's gonna make you laugh.
Oh, Lord. Okay, I'm gonna let it go. like a pancake.
Oh, he has loose all over him. Well, it's time to bury him. Let's do it today. I have a special spot where we're gonna bury him. Let's grab a rock. It's gonna represent him. It's gonna represent this little guy. Look at him!
Oh my Orden.
What?
You. Oh, many.
No, Lord! Well, yeah, it's itchy, but I'm trying to resist it. I think I have the perfect rock for him. Represents that he... See, I drew birds on him, and it's like a sunset. It represents him. Sorry, I just had a mosquito bite on my back. Gotta use my hair to itch it. We're gonna head up to where my frog was buried. I had a baby frog and his name was Kirby. His name was Kirby. And he passed away. He was crusty, musty, dusty. And then, that's his rock right there. Where is it on camera? Sorry, it's gonna take me.
Wait, it's right here. Wait, go down more.
There.
There.
It's right there. He's under that rock.
Can I peek?
No. Do you want to do the honors of digging?
Oh my gosh, mosquitoes.
Do you think that's perfect?
Yeah, I think that's good.
Remember me. This might be the bullet.
Ew, that's a spider egg.
No, that was a bullet actually. It's so sad, guys. She's singing the music. He lays right there. What should his name be?
His name should be Pretty.
Pretty Bird! Pretty Bird! No, his name should be Rocky.
He's actually kind of nice.
His name is Rocky. He lays.
Remember me.
He lays.
Remember me for centuries.
He lays right there. Right there. That's where Rocky, that's where Rocky lives, guys. It's where he lives. We are going swimming tonight, and we're going to film another video about doing spa.
Hi.
Hi, that's all you had to say. Hi, we're going to go eat dinner.
Maybe turn off the hose.
Can you do that, please? Guys, I hope you have an awesome day and subscribe and like the video. Ow, that ripped my ear.
It's not.
It's gonna turn off. Well, bye, guys.